In an increasingly digital age, visibility on the internet has become pivotal for businesses. Every enterprise, be it a startup or a multinational conglomerate, needs to assert its online presence. One of the most potent tools that enable this is Google Ads. It's not just an advertising platform, it's a gateway to potential customers. Understanding the Google Ads framework. At its core, Google Ads functions on the principle of connecting businesses to their potential customers at the very moment they're looking for products or services. It achieves this through a system known as the pay-per-click (PPC) model. Unlike traditional advertising where you pay for ad placements regardless of the interactions they receive, PPC ensures you invest only when a user shows genuine interest in your offering by clicking on your ad. This framework ensures that every dime you spend has a better chance of yielding a tangible return. Commencing your Google Ads expedition. Embarking on your Google Ads journey begins with setting up an account. But the magic unfolds when you start building your first campaign. The platform is designed to be meticulous yet flexible. You can define the specifics. Audience targeting. Google Ads isn't just about casting a wide net, it's about precision fishing. You can choose demographics, locations, interests, and more to ensure your ads resonate with the right audience. Keyword selection. These are the pillars of your campaign. By understanding what your potential customers might search for, you select keywords that would trigger your ads. Crafting the message. Once you have your audience and triggers in place, the next step is to communicate effectively. Designing compelling ad copy and choosing relevant images play a crucial role in ensuring your message gets the attention it deserves. The power of adaptability. One of the unparalleled strengths of Google Ads is its adaptability. Through its robust analytics, it offers insights into how your campaigns are performing. These metrics empower businesses to refine their strategies in real time. Whether it's tweaking the ad copy, adjusting the bids, or rethinking the targeted keywords, the platform's flexibility ensures your campaign remains agile and effective. Conclusion. In the vast realm of digital marketing, Google Ads stands as a beacon for businesses aiming to maximize their online visibility. It's a blend of precision targeting and adaptable strategy, ensuring that businesses, regardless of their size or domain, have a tool powerful enough to meet their digital aspirations. As with any tool, the magic lies in how you wield it. With the right approach and continuous optimization, Google Ads can be the catalyst propelling your online success. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to support our channel.